Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? As you already know, we have started the topic of endocrine glands. First gland was pituitary gland discussed in the previous video, and now we are going towards the second gland, that is thyroid gland. First question on this page is define thyroid gland. This is the largest endocrine gland in human body. Write the location of thyroid gland. It is present in neck region below larynx and produce a hormone thyroxine. Next question is, what does the deficiency of thyroid gland results? Iodine is required for the production of thyroid gland hormone, that is thyroxine. If a person lacks iodine in diet, thyroid gland can't make its hormone. In this condition, thyroid gland enlarges. This disorder is called goiter. This question can also be asked in the form of what is goiter? Then the answer of this question would be this. The last question on this page is present in this yellow block. Why during summer the urine output is low? Answer to this question is due to increased sweating, the water level of blood is lowered. As a result, pituitary gland releases more ADH into blood. Moving towards the important MCQs on this page. First MCQ is the largest endocrine gland in human body is thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is present in neck region below larynx. Iodine is required for production of thyroxine hormone. The first question on this page is write the function of thyroxine. The answer to this question, thyroxine increases the breakdown of food, oxidation and release of energy in body. It is also responsible for the growth of body. This is the function of thyroxine. Next question is define hypothyroidism. Write its effects. The answer to this question is there. The last question on this page is define hyperthyroidism. Write its symptoms. Hyperthyroidism is caused by overproduction of thyroxine. Its symptoms are increase in energy production, increased heartbeat, frequent sweating and shivering of hands. These are the basic symptoms of hyperthyroidism. What do you know about the calcitonin? Write its effects. Then the answer to this question would be this. Moving towards the important MCQs. Thyroxine is responsible for growth of body. Hypothyroidism is caused by underproduction of thyroxine. Another MCQ includes hyperthyroidism is caused by overproduction of thyroxine. Calcitonin decreases the level of calcium ions in blood and promotes the absorption of calcium from food into bones. This is the last MCQ on this page. Next is the third gland under discussion, that is parathyroid glands. What is the location of parathyroid gland is the first question over here. These are four glands situated on the posterior side of thyroid gland. This is the location of parathyroid gland. What hormone are produced by parathyroid glands? They produce a hormone known as parathormone. It increases the level of calcium ions in blood. Another question on this page is what the overproduction of parathyroid hormone results? When there is increased production of parathormone, which is a parathyroid hormone, more than normal calcium salts are absorbed from the bones and added to blood. Consequently, bones become brittle. Next question is what happens if the deficiency of parathormone results? The answer of this question is there. Moving toward the important MCQs on this page. Parathyroid glands are 4 in number. The hormone produced by parathyroid glands are parathyroid. Parathyroid glands increase the level of calcium ions in blood. If there is deficiency in production of hormone parathyroid, blood calcium level falls. Last MCQ on this page is blood calcium level falls and it leads to tetany. Well students, this page contains an important short question that is define tetany. Tetany is marked by sharp reduction of the wrist and ankle joints, muscle twitching, cramps and convulsions. It is due to decreased blood calcium level which makes the nerves and muscles more excitable. This is the definition of tetany. MCQ can be asked in the form of tetany is due to decreased blood calcium level. Alright students, these were some of the important short questions and MCQs in the given topics. The upcoming topics will be discussed next inshallah. Okay, thank you very much.